Hello guys, today I'm going to show what I made in Blender. So I've made this little, how do I move around in here? I made this little liminal room with windows and like a exit door. And if I can show it, there's like a swimming pool plant and a little flower there that's a bit hard to see. There we go. Now you can see it. And then if I show you, I've added textures to it to make it look a bit more pool designed, to make it look like a pool area with like these planes that I put in to make it look like glass. And then there's a circle down here for the little patch of dirt, even though I probably could have used something a bit smoother or smaller, but oh well. And then I've got this here, which I'm trying to think if I want to make another liminal space area. But we will see. I mean, the only things I've learned really in Blender after coming back from it after a while was how to put holes in like certain other objects by using a boolean and then selecting said object that's going through it, and how to make an array with said object where it makes like them stack on top of each other or as like a massive line with an array, and then have a go with the meshes, but that hasn't been ending pretty well. Like I've been pretty bad on trying to do meshes on here, but hopefully that will change. So yeah, see ya.